If you want to change the lock screen clock on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, we need to scroll down a little bit and then search for wallpaper and style. Now in here, we can tap on the lock screen and then we can tap on the clock. Here we can find a couple of different customization options, like we can, let's say, change the font, and some of these fonts are also animated. Let me try to find an example. There we go. As you can see, there's like a little animation, so every time you open the lock screen, you have that little animation going on. In some cases, for some fonts, we can adjust the thickness of these fonts. You can also change the color of it. You can also apply like a gradient or something, and you can choose your own color in here as well. And you can set it automatic to synchronize it with the wallpaper color. Besides that, if you go to the style, you can adjust the style for the clock as well, so you can choose one or the other. You can toggle the weather information and you can move the date to be above the clock. Besides that, you can also grab by the corner to make it bigger or smaller. And in here we should be able to move left and right to adjust the position of the clock. So if you want to place it, for example, in the middle of the screen over here, then it is totally possible to do so. And there we go. I'm gonna actually make it slightly bigger. That is pretty much everything that we can do with the clock on this phone. Tap on it down in the upper right corner to save your changes. Leave a like and subscribe.